Hey, I've been working on a lot of AI this year. Hopefully you're having a good year. I'm just working on this new part that's coming soon down here where you'll be able to create voices using a voice sample. This is already a tool um, as one of the art tools, but it's not really getting much use. So I figure I'll make it more prominent and have like a library of character voices you can use. There's already some voices here. You can Yeah, this is just the normal kind of chat UI. I'm wanting to do, I need to connect the actual agent to all of the tools, and you can make art already, but I want it to understand images, so you'll be able to upload your own images as well. Uh, but most people are just using this just to mess around with different AI models. Um, there's some good ones here for Claude and Grok has got really live up to date information, and Gemini. I'll probably get like a web enabled Gemini soon, or the new like Gemini Flash, um, and Nemotron. They're all very affordable for me. Uh, most of my the actual expenses here is on art that's just using Flux right now. But I did also open source Stable Diffusion Server that I'm updating as well to be able to run on like a cheaper platform basically than my own GPUs, which is where it's running now, serving some of the requests. Uh, yeah, so there's this. You also got I don't know if you've seen, but I made a whole bunch of art tools here. Uh, yeah, you can generate objects with their background removed automatically. You can uh, 2x upscale, um, remove backgrounds, create different video, uh, and there's some other video generators I've done as well. We're a little bit behind, but I'm going to release Hunyuan videos soon, so they'll be able to kind of come back up to date with the state of the art. This is a draw tool, which is quite interesting, um, which does this kind of Creo AI style, like live draw. Um, WebSim is quite fun. You can just create prompts like um, and have it make a website for you. Like you could say, yeah, it's like actually a good way to start making a site, really. Um, Some people actually, for some reason, create art generators in here and little prompt UIs, but I created like a little Novation Launchpad demo, like in one prompt. This whole bunch of stuff that this is just based on Claude, that Claude can create. Um, and this is the default URL. I need to make it a lot clearer, and I was wanting to make an actual agent that can generate this CSS and JavaScript for you, as well as just the base page um, as well. For some reason, I'm enjoying this kind of terminal, the old futuristic terminal style. So you save it, and then when you navigate, you'll render a site. Um, yeah, I forked Excalibur and made it so that you can draw some mountaintops or something. And well, you then have to select everything, and then hit what was it? Control Alt R. Oh, but you enter a prompt, so like kind of, I think that's the old one that I use. Now that I've updated the prompt, we'll try again. It looks like I didn't use any prompt at all there. I'll just jump back to here. What have we got? Into your prompt. Minimal, brutalism, terminal style. It's just a few things you can pop in. That's not bad for. I know it didn't exactly do what we wanted, but that's a kind of fun way to share little fiddles. Yeah, that's a really cool draw. I really like the draw tool, like having the control. The relighting tool is quite interesting, where you can move different lights and yeah, have different colors, different sides. I wanted to add IC light into there, so it does like an actual final AI render pass to do relighting at the end. But yeah, I want to keep the control as well. So I was thinking just like one passive style transfer at the end of this. And there's actually a blemish remover as well. So what else have we made? We created this vision language model API. So it can process multiple images. It'll download all of the links from a prompt automatically. Yeah, it's got like you can do like bulk generation with drop a CSV in of basically prompts and it will generate all the text. I want to make this more into like one of these automatic SEO kind of article writing sites where you've got a lot more tools. I only just started building out the tools here. This is more for language, whereas this is where I put all of my art tools for now. I've only got this domain name generator where you can find a domain name basically. And it just uses Claude to generate and check the domain names. And you have to like add some ones you like. And then you can kind of go through this iterative process of like generating them and then adding them to the list here. So I actually did find some PenPal Pro, AI Yak, Dialogue Droid. It's like, yeah, so there's like some cool names that you can put more instructions in here and say like only a column or something. Yeah. PenPal Pro is like super catchy, honestly. Now that I think about it. But and then this is very recently I did Helix, so you can. Oh, that's pretty annoying. I didn't realize that. There's literally this bar is hidden. It's like really bad UX. But yeah, I guess you want to upload some files and you can also chat to these example files. So you can just ask it to do like data transformations, building graphs. I put just if you don't do anything, you can just have like your own data explorer that will give you some overall statistics about your. Effectively, it analyzes structured data, so all CSV or TSV files or Excel files. I need to make the actual import process a lot more robust, so people will be like dropping in like crazy formatted Excel files or Google Sheets that just pretty hard to process. So right now it kind of goes and finds the largest block in the grid, but it should really like split out multiple sheets and like get better at doing a kind of AI cleaning pass for you. Because a lot of data is just very rough, but I still want to be able to handle that kind of data as well. You can mention graph types or columns or uh, different types of data transformations like group by, average. I actually find this quite good. I think the one I use most is maybe this art generator, and and sometimes just talking to AI is quite good. I'm using Cursor um, as well to talk to my AIs. Yeah. What's this? That's weird. I managed to. I think that's the wrong data set. I think frequency, size. Yeah, so I need to get a bit better at doing like an auto select. I think when you say map, it should create an actual map, like a Google map. Maybe yeah, that's something to look into there actually for that. Um, this is where you can just browse. You can do like just dig in and then get kind of prompt ideas, or turn one of your creations into a video or upscale. Um, yeah, it's kind of nice. Like, this is also similar to what's powering the other art generator. You have an art. I've got like two art generators, so I need to think about something to I guess consolidate them. This is more focused around art, and the network was focused around chatting for fun, but now it's got a lot of art there too. So um, I need to figure out what to do there. Cell drawing. Funny, didn't really get the should have said like big sword or something. That's funny. It's like a watercolor. That's kind of cool. That's like super easy to explore. It's quite fast as well. Yeah. Yeah.